Yes, children. We are going to do the revision of surface areas and volume as we did it long time back in the month of February. So I'm just revising the formulas again, beta. The basic thing is to keep the formulas in mind. If you know the formulas well, if you do not have to cram up the formulas, half of the thing is done. Because अगर आप रट्टा मारोगे बेटा फॉर्मूला का कहीं ना कहीं वो जाके आपको wrong हो जाएगा. So if you understand the formula, if you apply the formulas in your life accordingly, then the next part is calculations. First step has to be clear that you have to put correct formulas. We have done in class 8, we have done in class 9. Still, मैंने 9th में भी derive किया था आपके साथ 10th also be derived. I am deriving again today. So you have to be careful with the formulas. And the best part is 4 exercises में so the 4th exercise has been deleted for this particular year, which is frustrum of cone. So you don't have to do a new thing. I've written few things on the board. Let's see. Exercise 13.1. It deals with surface area. Please keep in mind that area means unit square. 13.2 deals with volume, which means unit cube. That means there will be 3 variables or 1 variable repeated 3 times. 13.3 deals with conversion. I gave you one example for conversion of things. Suppose you have a laddu in your hand. Laddu is spherical in shape and you are mashing it.
Yes, ma'am.
इसको mash कर दिया, ठीक है? After mashing it, you are giving it a shape, new shape. आपने उसको एक बर्फी की shape दे दी. Barfi means cuboid. So from a sphere, you are making a cuboid. But in the entire process, what thing remains same?
Volume.
Volume.
The amount with which, the material with which the laddu was made is used as it is to make a barfi. So the volume in 2 cases remains same. So whenever you are doing a conversion thing, the volume remains same in both the cases. Right? Next thing is to know the terms related to conversion. If it is like recast, if the word used is recast, cast means banana, recast means dobara banana. Remold, mold to give shape, remold matlab dobara shape dena. Melt. So these are some of the terms that will give you the hint that you are talking of conversion of units.
मैम रीमेल्ट हो सकता है.
Sorry,
मैम रीमेल्ट हो सकता है.
रीमेल्ट कैसे होता है? दोबारा कैसे पिघालोगे? कोई चीज है, आइसक्रीम है, आप उसको मेल्ट करोगे या आप बोलोगे आई एम रीमेल्टिंग द आइसक्रीम? व्हाट इज द करेक्ट टर्म? मेल्ट ना? यस. एंड देन देयर आर 2 shapes. In the entire chapter, you will not deal with any question that is talking of more than 2 shapes. Greater than 2 shapes, you will not be talking. किसी भी फिगर में 2 से ज्यादा डिफरेंट शेप्स अगर हैं तो वो क्वेश्चन हमारे सिलेबस में नहीं है. Keep this in mind. ठीक है? So these are certain basic things you have to keep in mind. Then I will be talking about the formulas. Derivation एक बार फटाफट से करेंगे हम. I would like you to keep these things in mind. If you keep this logic in mind, you will never go wrong. For any shape, keep this logic in mind. That area is always the perimeter taken h times, and volume is always the area taken h time. Perimeter is length. Length means one direct dimension. One dimension into second dimension. Unit square. Area is always 2 dimension. So 2 dimensions into 1 more dimensions give you 3 dimension, that is unit cube. Right? To start with, let us take an example of your cuboid. Let this be a cuboid, right? It has got length, it has got height. From this side, it has got breadth, it has got height. If we look at this side, it has got length and breadth. यही है बेटा. And it has got how many faces? कितने face हैं? 1,
6,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4, 6,
6.
6 faces are there. When we talk of only the boundary faces, these sides,
4,
known as
Four.
area or length
Four.
of surface area. When you include the top and the bottom, it becomes total surface area. Okay? So CSA and TSA, this is the difference. आपने देखा होगा usually in the question they are giving the combination of two or more two solids, and then they are saying in the end find the surface area of the solid. Right? Surface area of the solid would here mean whichever area you can paint. The best thing to find area is keep in mind कि वो object आपके हाथ में है बेटा. If that object is in your hand, which all things are you going to paint? तो जो भी चीज आप paint करेंगे, that gives you a surface area. Clear? So perimeter of base into height. Now what is the base of this cuboid? Cuboid का base किस shape में होता है बेटा?
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
And what is the perimeter of rectangle?
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B.
2 into L plus B.
So 2 into L plus B into H. ये क्या दे देगा आपको? LSA or CSA, whatever you
LSA of cuboid.
keep this simple logic in mind, you will never go wrong. And for TSA, we will add the top and the bottom also.
Bottom.
Top is length into breadth, bottom is length into breadth. So 2LB. So आप CSA में 2LB add कर दो. Right? Then volume. Area of base. What is the area of base of? What is the area of
L into
rectangle?
B. L into B.
Into H. So you get your
Into H.
volume as LB.
LBH.
This volume is LBH. Clear? If I talk of Q,
Yes, ma'am.
means all the 6 faces are same. Each face is of A unit. So area of each wall is, what is the area of each wall?
A square.
A square.
A square.
So 4 sides. Top surface
4A
area length.
square.
4A square.
When you include top and bottom, it becomes
6A square.
6A
6A
square.
square.
and volume is A into A into A. That
A
is
cube.
A cube.
A cube.
so that is how we are getting the formulas for cuboid and cube. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming on next is your cylinder. What is the base of cylinder?
Circle.
Circle.
What is the perimeter, or you can say circumference
2
of
pi
2 pi
r.
R.
2 pi r.
So it is 2 pi RH. Okay? TSA में what will you do? You will add
Surface
the
area.
2 pi
Pi
r
R.
plus
Pi
pi.
R square.
2 pi
2
r.
pi r
Pi R
square.
square.
I request you to please be quiet because I have to deal with everybody. There are some who are not even speaking up. So this is cylinder. The top and the bottom are circular in shape. So area of one circle is pi r square. Area of both the circles will be 2 pi
2 pi r.
Volume. Again, the base of cylinder is circle. हाँ, if somebody says कि मुझे यही नहीं पता cylinder का base circle है, I can't help them. So you should be aware that the base of cylinder is circle. So area of base, area of circle,
Pi r
what is it?
square.
Pi R square.
Into.
Into H.
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 It is so very simple to remember the formulas, beta. It is so very easy and simple. Provided you should keep your gates open here. अगर आपने डिसाइड ही कर लिया हमने रट्टा मारना है, रट्टा विल ऑलवेज गो रॉन्ग, रट्टाफिकेशन विल ऑलवेज गो रॉन्ग. And there is another way to tell you the derivation. This is a rectangular sheet. This is L and this is B. What is the area of this sheet?
L
LB.
into
L
B.
into B.
L into B.
I am folding this sheet. What does it become?
Cylinder.
Cylinder.
जब सिलेंडर बन गया बेटा तो वोकैबुलरी भी चेंज हो जाएगी. मूवी में आपने देखा
Yes,
मूवी
ma'am.
एक्टर्स ऑफ डिफरेंट रोल, डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर इन डिफरेंट मूवीज. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द शेप लेट्स चेंज द वोकैबुलरी. ब्रेथ होते हैं चौड़ाई. अब सिलेंडर की तो कोई चौड़ाई नहीं है. दिस ब्रेथ
Height.
इज चेंज व्हाट? हाइट.
Height.
Height.
Yes.
Height.
This was the length.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
was the length. When I folded it, the length is changing to what thing?
Circumference of circle.
Circumference of the circle.
Circumference of circle.
Circumference.
क्या होता है circumference?
2 pi r.
Length changed to 2 pi r. Breadth changed to height.
H.
So either you are getting
2 pi RH.
2 pi RH.
Either you do by this
Yes, ma'am.
logic or you do by this logic. Both the things are same. Both the things are same. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Coming on next is to sphere. Sphere के लिए this is sphere.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
If you can see carefully, I don't know if you can or you cannot, there is a mark at the center. आपने देखा usually ball में एक center में mark होता है. If I want
Yes,
to
ma'am.
divide this ball from the center, two parts will be obtained.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And है ना? Both these parts will be.
Equal.
So whatever is the radius of this circle, this is known as great circle. This is known as great
Great
circle.
circle.
इस सर्कल का रेडियस आ रहा है. What will be the area of this circle?
Pi r square.
Pi r square.
So what mathematician observed that if they are going to take 4 times this area, they actually did it with wool. उन्होंने ऊन को लपेटना, रैप करना शुरू किया इसके साइड्स में. तो उन्होंने देखा जितनी वुल से ये सर्कल कवर हो रहा था उसके 4 टाइम्स वुल लिया तो जाके ये स्फीयर कवर हो गया. They tried this on with different spheres, different size of spheres, and every time they were finding that 4 times of the central area is covering the complete hemisphere. So they said that the surface area of sphere is 4 times this area. And beta sphere is the only shape. You can see from all the sides it is closed. Yes? From all the
Yes.
sides
Yes,
it is
ma'am.
closed.
Yes,
But
ma'am.
if सब sides से closed है, so it is the only 3D shape in which curved surface area and TSA are same. In which CSA and TSA are same.
Same.
Clear? So it is 4 pi r square. Now hemisphere would mean 2 halves.
3 pi r square.
2 pi देखो बेटा ये हेमिस्फीयर नहीं है बट इस टाइम मेरे पास यही सपोज ये स्फीयर है. सपोज दिस इज स्फीयर. हेमी मींस 2 हाफ्स. तो ये
Yes,
पूरे का 4 pi r square है. हाफ का वुड बी
2 pi r square.
2 pi r square.
that will be its curved surface area. This blue
Yes,
portion.
ma'am.
Open means you are going to put a lid here. You are going to put a
3 pi r square.
so pi r square of this. Please, those who know, please I request them to be quiet. I have to explain to everybody. So 2 pi r square ये हो गया और ये lid is again circular in shape. Cover करेंगे. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square which makes it
3 pi r square.
3 pi r 3 square. pi r square.
right. Then coming on to the volume part. If you remember, we have done a practical in practical 5. We have taken a cylinder. I showed you in the classroom. I don't have apparatus to show you again. You have a cylinder and a sphere such that sphere is enclosing the cylinder. Enclosing the cylinder means the height of cylinder is equal to diameter of sphere.
Diameter of sphere.
R is the radius. So diameter would mean twice of radius.
Yes, ma'am.
Can anybody tell me how many times of sphere was needed to fill the cylinder? किसी को ध्यान है?
3
How
times.
3 times.
3
many
times.
times? No.
3 times.
2 by 3.
4 times.
2 times.
हमने 3 हेमिस्फेयर्स लिए थे सिलेंडर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए. 3 हेमिस्फेयर मींस 2 हेमिस्फेयर से 1 हेमिस्फेयर और फिर आधा और. So 1.5 sphere was needed to fill the cylinder. इसका क्या मतलब है? 1.5 means 3 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
और cylinder is pi r square h. ये हमें पता होना चाहिए. Again remember area of base pi r square taken h time. Volume of cylinder pi r square h. अब h को मैं replace कर दूंगी twice of r से. So pi r square into twice of r. ठीक है?
Pi r, 2 pi r cube.
This gives me volume of sphere. 3 by 2, that side will become 2 by 3
2 by 3.
into
Yes,
2
ma'am.
pi r cube. देखो वॉल्यूम है बेटा, क्यूब आ गया अपने आप, क्यूबिक यूनिट्स. Now 2 into 2 makes it
4.
4 pi r cube by 3.
4 by 3 pi r cube. This is volume of sphere. And thus the volume of hemisphere would be what?
2 by 3.
2 by 3 pi r cube.
2 by 3 pi r cube.
Alright.
Yes, ma'am.
Coming on next
Yes,
to
ma'am.
cone. Coming on next is cone. I will not be deriving it again. I have done in 9th, I have done in 10th also. We started with a circle. We cut out a sector of it. Remaining portion we fold it to make a cone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Here you
Yes,
should be
ma'am.
aware that radius. This is height. This is slant height. In the question, if it is mentioned height, that means they are talking of perpendicular height. In the question, if they use the term slant, then only they are talking of slant height. And you know, applying Pythagoras theorem here, what does it mean in this triangle?
N square is equal to
R
h
square
square
plus
plus r square.
To r square plus h square.
X square plus R square. Clear? L square is equal to X square plus R square. For the CSA, you need to remember it is pi RL. Pi RL. आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. And TSA के लिए, this base will also be added. What is the area of base?
Pi r square.
So pi RL plus pi R square. Clear? For volume, we did experiment in the class. We took a cylinder and a cone of same height and same radius. How many times of this cone was needed to fill the cylinder? आप यहाँ से भी देख सकते हो 1 part, 2 part, 3 part. How many times was it needed?
3.
1.
3. So volume of cone is how many times the volume of cylinder?
1/3.
1/3. अब volume of cylinder पता होना चाहिए. Area of base into height. Pi r square into h. So that is how we get volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. Yes, Vinayak.